Hi guys, how are you today? This is Eleanor here again with another video. Guys, I'm so grateful to God that we are alive. We are still living, and that is not taken for granted. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It's Uganda UG Diaspora Lifestyle, just showing you how here in diaspora we live a normal life like any other people. I come from Uganda. I live in the US, and I'm so grateful to be here. I'm just home showing you how I'm living my day today. It was just a normal day, just cleaning, cooking, just a home reset. It's a good time to just stay. Sometimes it's therapy just to stay home and just do your stuff, your normal things, cook for your family. For me, it's therapy. Honestly, they're not chores to me. It's therapy. I like it. I like to just have my peace at my home with my family. Do things for my kids or my husband. That's what I'm about. I'm not so complicated. Yeah, so guys, I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so grateful that you're watching, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll be so happy to know that you have subscribed. Just a little thing today. I just wanted to talk about gratefulness. It's always nice to be grateful for the things you have in your life. Sometimes every time we get something good, we still want to run for the next. But I believe that you should first be grateful for this thing that you have, so that God is able to give you more. Sometimes I believe it's hard for God to give you more if you can't even be grateful for what He has already given you. You're not even enjoying the things that He has given you. Imagine you have, let me say, you have something nice in your life, you're going on with your life. Even other people are like, oh my God, this person is doing well, look at what they have. But for you in your house, you are not happy. You are now running after the next. First, enjoy what you have. I know it's not good to be comfortable where you are. You can always do better. You can always get more and stuff like that. But as you go for more, be grateful for what you have now, because that helps you to appreciate and enjoy whatever God is giving you. But if you don't be grateful for the things you have, then guess what? You always be running for the next. Sit down and just chill and say, oh God, thank you so much for what you've given me. And let me, as I move and look for more, let me still appreciate what you've given me. Because life is just, you don't know what tomorrow brings, How would you feel when you are no longer in this world, and you say, why didn't I ever enjoy things with my family? Why wouldn't I enjoy this and this, Because what we are assured of is the present. So always enjoy yourself. Don't work yourself to death. Some people want to pick shift after shift. They are running after every shift. Before you know it, your backs are hurting. Your bosses don't appreciate anyway. And you are just there running shift after shift. Nobody cares. You are making someone's company rich. And guess what? You are neglecting your family. I know we have problems, but enjoy your life. It doesn't matter how many shifts you go for. Believe me, you will never be happy if you're hurting all the time. But you make an experiment and say, okay, let me work just enough, at least spare 2 days to myself and my family, and you see how you feel. You feel so good because you're with your family. You realize that what matters most is my family. It doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter how much I go to work. Nobody is appreciating you. Everyone is seeing the wrong you've done. Everyone is stressing you. You're emotionally drained. You even come back home and you can't even, you feel like, what is going on? So it's always good to chill, relax, appreciate what you have, enjoy time with your family, because that's what life is all about. Enjoying life with your people. God has given you what you have because He wants you to enjoy it. Then He can add you more, So, guys, I appreciate you so much. I hope you can take what I've advised for you guys. Please, please enjoy your lives. Mental health is real. If you don't take care of your mental health, life is going to be so tough. Even when you have everything in this world, but you're mentally unstable, you're mentally not happy, you're mentally feeling off, believe me, nothing is going to make you happy. Even when you have thousands of dollars in the bank account, you still feel empty. So the things that make our mental health better are mostly our families, chilling, relaxing, giving yourself time. That's just life, So I hope, guys, you can do that, and I believe that if you do that, things are going to get better for you.